Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Ma'am, I ask a question, ma'am. This is my first time. Then I want to go to famous restaurante.
Which restaurant?
I want famoso restaurante. Yeah. By the way, señorita, I'm Espanol. Then I'm looking for a famous restaurante.
Famous restaurant.
Here.
Okay.
I came from Cebu City. Then I go here in Cordova.
You want to go to 10,000 Roses?
So what is that? Yeah.
Restaurant daw.
No, I want a restaurante.
Restaurant.
Famous here. By
Ay,
the way,
saguan mo!
señorita, excuse me. What is this place?
Cordova.
No, address.
Filippo.
So what is the famous restaurante here?
Ay, okay, Monty.
Actually, this is my first time here in Cebu City, and I am a student, and I only vacationist. Yeah. So excuse me, señorita, do you have recommendations? Where?
Wow. Wala iya.
I want Neres. What is that?
10,000 Roses.
Is that famous?
Yes.
So after
But this one is still,
maybe how many minutes or hours here?
No, it's just few minutes.
A few minutes from here?
Yes.
Yeah. Can I go with you?
No.
Can I go with you? Go there?
I can't. Napakatulog ba eh?
So excuse me, I want to eat a restaurante. I want to go to restaurant.
You can check your phone.
Here, nearest here.
Yes.
I want delicioso. Yeah. I want nearest. Excuse me, señorita.
It's just 11 minutes.
What is the famoso restaurante here?
Yes, this one.
What name?
10,000 Roses.
So many food there?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Señorita, thank you. Hablan poco por favor de español, señorita. Can I give you a steak here? By the way, I'm a vlogger. Yeah.
Ay, naka-record mong good siya.
Yeah. So, taga diri ra mo, ma'am? Ha?
Ay, naka-record oh, nakapula.
Ma'am, shout out din niyo. Guwapa ma'am, tag-iya ka diri ma'am. Guwapa kayo ma'am, shout out ha. Oh, steak here oh. Idol. Imuha yun. Nangatag di ko steak here diri sa Cordova kay first time na ko ni Soroy diri nga. Nga okay ra kay ma'am. Okay ra. Na magkuyog ta dito na.
Na, di ko yan.
10,000. Kisay nga ni ma'am.
Ara.
Ara, ikaw ma'am.
Iya.
Sige. Ya ato na sa kumangilan ko na.
Kailangan.
Vlog rabbit ako ma'am. I-search ko ninyo ha. Okay ra i-upload ma'am. Shout out pa yun sa tindahan. Araday.